Hey everybody, I'm Scott with Starkey Family, Fixing Rigging Up. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and make sure you turn your notifications on. Now today, we're actually under the semi-trailer right now, which is a 2005 Benson. And right here, okay, this is like a main junction of airlines back here in front of the front axle in the very back, which would be in the center of the trailer. Anyways, this right here, there is air that's actually blown out through this. One of these fittings right here, let's see here, like right on here, has actually rotted through. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so right here, you can see like a small gap, right? Well, that's where the air is actually blown out. So I'm guessing that the threads that have went through there have finally rotted out. And it's not just blowing a little bit of air, it's blowing a lot of air. So we actually have to go through and replace that. So right now, I'm going to work on taking it out. Okay, so what these airlines actually do, they come down and go over here to the actual brake chamber, if you can see that. So that is very, very important that we get that taken care of. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to try and move this little thing out of the way. I believe this is a anti-lock wire. Yep, that was it. It just broke in half. So, seeing that it did that, we can go to just unscrew it. Look at that. Try to get the camera on here. Can you see where that rotted through and broke? Same thing right there. So now, not only we're gonna have to try and get that out, we're gonna have to try and get this out and try to remove the threads. That was nice. It only hurt a little bit. Look at that. Rotted clean through there. Well, let me go ahead and try to get these out of these lines real quick, and then we'll take a look at it. Okay, so I got the fitting out the top of the hose. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back down through here, clip all these zip ties off, and then I am going to take the brake line off of the brake chamber. Okay, so I'm down at the truck stop right now. So this is where I'm working tonight. This right here is the brake line, the air line. This is the side that actually goes to the brake chamber. It came out no problem. So this is what everything looks like. Okay, this top part here, it came out pretty simple, but basically when it's put together, it's going to look like this. Okay, so in between here is where that flange was that these ran through that held everything together. As you can see from the blue in there, should be able to see that anyways, it's been in there so long that it rotted. Now keep in mind this trailer is a 2005 model, so You know, it's been in there, what, almost 12 years now. I have a brake line made up, and those are pretty costly. So I'll come back tomorrow. I'm gonna go down to the local Napa store in the morning and see what kind of parts I can gather up. So I will catch you tomorrow. Okay, so I got my parts, and right now we are trying to get a airline in here into the brake chamber. Trying to. I don't have a lot of room in here to work, so that's the way it goes. So we're going to hand screw this on first, as far as we can. Okay. Now I did put tape on there. Now I wanted to also explain, when you replace airline, it has to be DOT approved. So I will show you here in a minute after I get done how you know it is DOT approved. Okay, so on this airline, do you see where it says DOT on it? That means it is DOT approved. Okay, so I know you can't really see too well, but basically what I'm doing is I'm putting the fittings together right now. Make sure you use thread tape or some other type of sealant. Okay, so let me go ahead and tighten all this together. Okay, everything is now zip tied up, everything is secured, everything is together. So now it's time to start the truck up, get some air pressure built up, and make sure everything holds. Okay, I just aired up the semi-trailer, and as you can hear, there's no more leaking. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. Now, I know I didn't really finish the job. I just basically patched it up, but sometimes you gotta do that when you can't, get the normal parts that go into place. But like I said, this is just for a time period until I get a new one in. But it'll be okay. You all have a good day, and catch my other videos, and make sure you subscribe. Thank you.